Learning a new language is frustrating, confusing grammar, no one to practice with, and vocab that disappears overnight. But what if a single AI prompt could act like your full-time tutor? AI can be a game changer for language learning, but only if you ask it the right way. This prompt turns ChatGPT into a complete language tutor, covering vocabulary, grammar, role play, writing correction, pronunciation, and even a quiz. It's not magic, it's just about being detailed. Here's the full prompt I use. I'm putting it on screen right now, and you can pause to copy it or just download it from the Google Doc in the description below. The prompt gives you a full 6-part beginner-level lesson. Watch this. Part 1, Vocabulary. 10 travel phrases with Chinese characters, pinyin, and English. Part 2, Grammar. A clear explanation of a tricky grammar point like 了 versus 或 with examples. Part 3, Role play. This is where it gets cool. I activated voice mode and said, act as a friendly taxi driver in Beijing. And it actually spoke to me in Chinese. Here's what that sounded like. It said,
你好，今天想去哪里呀？然后你可以用中文告诉我你的目的地。我会注意你的回答，并帮你纠正用词或语法。准备好了吗？告诉我你想去的地方吧。
Where would you like to go today? I replied, and it corrected me with feedback on how to sound more natural. Quick note, voice mode works on both desktop and mobile as long as you're using with a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Just tap the waveform icon next to the mic button to start speaking. Once the voice chat ends, it shows you the full transcript so you can review and study the whole exchange. Then it moves on. Part 4. It corrected a short paragraph I wrote in Chinese, explained my mistakes, and improved the phrasing. Part 5. It gave me pronunciation drills. Using minimal pairs, I just paste them into Google Translate. Hit the speaker icon.
Ma. Mother, ma.
And repeat them out loud to hear and practice the tones. Part 6. A quick quiz on Chinese measure words with multiple choice answers. And here's what makes it really flexible. You don't have to use all 6 sections. You can just focus on vocab or just grammar and role play. Pick what fits your learning goal. All of that from one prompt. The best part, this prompt structure works for any language, not just Chinese. Learning Spanish? Just change the vocabulary section. Studying French? Swap in a grammar rule you struggle with. AI becomes way more powerful when you're specific. This isn't about magic, it's about being intentional. Whether you're practicing vocab, fine-tuning pronunciation, or role-playing real-world situations, this kind of detailed prompt gives you way more than just a translation. It gives you practice, correction, and feedback. So don't just copy this, tweak it, build your own. Think about your goals. What would your dream tutor walk you through? Now write it into a prompt and test it. You're not just learning a language anymore, you're designing the way you learn it. If this helped you, the full prompt and full lesson example are in the description. Feel free to try it today and let me know in the comments, what language are you going to try this with? I'd love to see how you adapt it.